What's up, everyone? Today we're exposing Gluco Elixir, a supplement claiming to reverse type 2 diabetes and boost energy naturally. You've probably seen ads with celebrity endorsements and new logos. But is this a legitimate supplement or a dangerous scam targeting diabetics? Let's expose the truth. So, Gluco Elixir markets itself as a natural solution that can reverse type 2 diabetes, stabilize blood sugar, and boost energy levels throughout the day. The ads claim it's based on scientific research and endorsed by doctors. Some versions even show what looks like celebrity interviews or news reports. Sounds incredible, right? Here's the disturbing reality. This is a scam, and here's the evidence. First and most damning, the ads use deepfake technology and fake news websites. Scammers have created entire fake news sites mimicking CBS, Fox News, and CNN with articles that look like legitimate journalism but are actually sponsored scam content designed to deceive you. Some ads even featured AI generated videos showing celebrities like Kathy Bates appearing to endorse the products. These are completely fabricated using deepfake technology. The celebrities never said these things. Second, there is no scientific evidence. Despite bold claims, there are no clinical studies, no FDA filings, no independent lab test results, nothing to suggest that Gluco Elixir is safe or effective. It's all marketing lies. Third, the official website has zero legitimate business information. There's no real company address and no verifiable contact information and no transparent ingredient disclosure. Legitimate supplement companies provide this information. Scammers hide it. Fourth, despite claims like made in the USA, doctor recommended, or clinically tested, there's absolutely no documentation to support any of these claims. They're just buzzwords designed to attract false trust. The dangerous reality is this isn't just about wasted money, this is medically dangerous. Diabetes is a serious condition that requires proper medical management. People who stop taking their prescribed medications or delay proper treatment because they believe a fake supplement will cure them can suffer severe health consequences, including diabetic coma or death. The American Diabetes Association is clear. Supplements are not proven as an effective option for lowering blood glucose or managing diabetes without underlying deficiency. People who've fallen for the scam report never receiving the product, being charged multiple times without authorization, having their personal and credit card information stolen, and getting zero customer service response when they try to get their refunds. If you have diabetes or blood sugar issues, do not buy Gluco Elixir or any similar products advertised through social media with fake celebrity endorsements or news logos. Continue taking your prescribed medications and work with your actual doctor, not a fake website claiming to have miracle cures. If you've already purchased it, contact your bank immediately to dispute the charges and monitor your accounts for unauthorized transactions. The final verdict: Gluco Elixir is an absolute scam. It's built on deepfake videos, fake news websites, and manipulative marketing targeting vulnerable people with serious health conditions. This is predatory, dangerous, and potentially life threatening. Do not buy this product under any circumstances. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.